Serving the community is what comes to mind right away. Standing out by making everything from scratch and using all food ingredients from the ground up, I think is the main reason. Creating good food for good people. Well, it started as a hobby for making sourdough breads. The start of it was to make a better bread for myself and my family at the time. Everything is made from scratch, even our fruit fillings. That's important to us, is using real food to create quality products. But we make a vast variety, like maybe close to 200 different products. Variety is one of our specialties. A lot of viennoiserie, a lot of croissant work, a lot of pastry work, some cookies, some muffins, and a lot of bread. It's scratch-made laminated dough. So it's like 36 layers of dough and butter. And we use a Black Forest ham with a sharp Sartori cheese. They're proof to bake and egg washed, and they're delicious. They're great handheld food. It's the closest thing to a meal instead of a treat. We have a lot of people that just buy that for lunch, so we thought it would be a good choice. It's a long process, and there's probably 8 different people involved by the time it's done. So part of why it's delicious is it's not easy. It takes a lot of time.